Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today we are going to take the ninth standard exercise 4.5, that is the polynomials. In that some formulas will be used, identities will be used. Let the checking that which identities will be used. Identities means the proven factor on both sides it can be available. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Means x any number, y also any number, or the any variable. Then number 2, x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus, here plus was there, so here came plus. If it is minus here, then it comes the minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y, one time addition, one time subtraction, x minus y. Because of square is there, any numbers, and middle minus sign should be there. Number 4, x plus a, means x and x to same, but a and b are the two separate variable. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b, means first term plus second term into x plus ab. If it is the three terms are there and that is square, so identity number 5, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, all three terms is squared. And then 2 and first term second term, first and second 2xy, then second and third 2yz, then first and the third term 2zx, means x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Like that, if cube is there, this is the squares. Now in that we reach the cube. Number 6 identity, x plus y whole cube is equal to, first separate writing, x cube plus y cube. In that cube is there, so 3 will come, first and second term, then into x in x plus y, means x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. It can be written in that form, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, one time x square, then one time y square. Like that, x minus y cube whole cube is equal to what? Here plus was there, so here minus will become, that's all, x cube minus y cube minus, this was the plus, here it will become the minus 3xy, then into x minus y. If in this form also going to be written, x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y, then minus into minus it will become plus 3xy square. Now last, if the three terms are there and the cube is done, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, bracket close, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus zyz minus zx. If in that one case is there, one condition is there, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz only will be there. We are going to use these identities in our that exercise, taking some questions of exercise questions 4.5 from the textbook. Now in the textbook, these are the questions given here, the questions here. So here we are taking number wise questions, x plus 4 into x plus 10, then second question, in first main second question, x plus 8 plus into x minus 10. Let's taking the one example one by one, taking the one question one by one. So first question it is given that, x plus 4 into x plus 10. Now which identity? We read the 8 identity. Now which identity we have to use? How we can come to know? So we come to know this identity by that here x same, but here this is the different, this is different, means we have to use the identity number 4th one. So what is that identity number 4th? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This identity we are going to use. Why? Because the x is the same here in both terms, separate in multiplication is there, in the both brackets are there, in that multiplication is there, and the x in the both term are the same, but the second term will be the different. So that let x is equal to x in that, and a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 10. x is equal to x only because of same. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 10. Now we are using this identity. So what is that? X square. X square means first term square. First term square plus A plus B. A means what? A means 4 plus B what? 10 plus 10 into x. X only plus AB. A 4 and B 10. Now we are writing it x square plus 4 plus 10 how much? 14 into x 14x plus 4 10s are 40 and hence this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the first first question. Now first main second question. Let taking the first main second question. So what is that? X plus 8 and into x minus 10. Which identity we have to use? Same identity we have to use. Why? Because of x same but these are the different. Later here x is equal to x and a is equal to 8 and b is equal to minus 10 along with sign because of minus is there, minus 10. So here we know x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we are writing x square means x square plus a plus b 8 minus 10. Why written minus? Because of b is equal to minus 10 here. So here plus is there, so minus done because of minus along with sign into x plus ab 8 into 10. 8 into 10 it is. A into b. Then what will become? X square plus what become? 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2x plus 8 10s are 80. 8 10s are 80. Now we can write it like this: x square plus into minus 2x plus 80 and hence this is the answer. This is the answer. Now taking the third example number third or question number third in that. Then third question it is written 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So in that also same identity we have to use because of 3x is same it is. So what given? This is x is equal to 3x, a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5 along with sign. Then why we know x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So what is the x? X is equal to 3x. 3x square plus a plus b. What is the a plus b? 4 minus 5. Then x. Then what? A plus b. A 4 and b. What is the minus 5? Minus 5 into 3 square 9 x square plus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 or minus 1 into x plus 4 5s are 20 minus 20. Here upside also it is minus here minus. The 9x square then plus into minus x then plus into minus 20 and hence this is the answer for this question also. Now we are going fourth question in first main. So what is the fourth question? Here it is given the y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Now in that also one time it is plus done, one time is minus done. Means we are using that a plus b into a minus b. Means what? Otherwise we can write in that also way ki x plus a x plus y into x minus y is equal to what? A square minus b square. In that way, in that x square minus y square. That is the identity number third. We are using. Why? Because of in that this also same y square same, plus is there, minus is there, 3 by 2 same are there, so that we are using the one time plus is there, one time minus. We are using the third identity, and third identity let the x or y ke x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So we can write x is equal to what in that? Y square, and y is equal to what? 3 by 2. So we are using the x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So y square first, x is equal to y square the square minus y is equal to what? 3 by 2 whole square. So y square the square means y the power 4 minus 3 square 9 and 2 square 4, and hence this is the answer. Next taking the next question in that fifth question, and the fifth question is And fifth question given in that, fifth question given here 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. In that's also same case only. See, 3 is the same, plus 2x also same in both side, but here minus, here plus. So we know that x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Identity number third we are going to use it in that. Why? Because of all the terms are same, but the sign only change, that is the plus and minus. So we are using. So here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. X we are taking. So what we can write? X square means 3 square minus y is equal to 2x. 2x square, then 3 square is equal to 9 minus 2 square is equal to 4 and x square is equal to x square. Now x square is equal to x square means that is the answer. Now we are going to the second main, and in the second main it is written evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. We have to use some identities in that. So in that first question it is in that given 103 into 107. In which form we can write in that? Ki any one number have to be the same. One number have to same. See, in that we can write 103, we can write 100 plus 3 into, we can write 107, we can write 100 plus 7. Why I broken that in this way only? It can be written in that also, no? 90 plus 13 also. Yes, it can be written, but that it is the only zeros have to come in 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 1000. Okay, like that only have to come. So now we can see that 100 is the same both side. It is 3, it is 7, and so we can use the identity number fourth. What is that? X is equal to 100 and a is equal to 3, b is equal to 7 along with sign, and we know x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we are writing x square means first 100 square. 100 square plus a plus b. What is a? 3 plus b value what? 7 into x. X value what? 100 plus ab. A what? 3 into b what? 7. AB 7. 100 square means it is easy to write 1 square 1. 2 0 is there means 4 0 will come. When any number has the square and 0, in the square zeros become the doubles. Now 3 and 7 is equal to 10. 10 into 100 plus 3 7s are 21. Now we are writing it. It is become the 10,000 plus 100 into 1000. 100 into 10 is equal to 1000 plus 21. If you are adding it, so it will become the 20 and then 0. Then we are adding it 1 1 2 2. Then this 0 and this 0 0. Then here 1 and 0 1 and then it is 1. Means 11,021. Now we are going the second one question. Question number second. What is that? 95 into 96. Now in that we can write 90 plus 5, 90 plus 6. We can write in that way. But better we can write in that way also. 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4. We can write in this way also. So okay, let x is equal to what it become 100 and a is equal to what become minus 5, b is equal to what become minus 4. Like that also. In that 90 plus 5 also can be written. Okay, let's do doing this side that way and this side this way. So now we can write x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This formula. In that I am writing 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6. That I am writing. So here a is equal to x is equal to 90, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. Now in that we are writing x square plus a plus b plus x plus ab. That written. Now in the side solving first. Then it is become the x square means 100 square plus a plus b. A what? Minus 5. B what? Minus 4 into x what? 100 plus AB minus 4 into minus 5. So this we can write 100 square means what? 10,000. then this will become the plus minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9 into 100 means 900. Okay, plus minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Now we are writing it like this: 10,000 plus into minus minus 900 plus 20. So 10,000 minus 900 is equal to what become? 10,000 minus 900 is equal to become the 9,100 plus 20. This what become 9,120. 9,120 it become. Now let's this side also. This side what happening? This way 90 plus 5 written in that this writing. So here 90 square. 90 square plus a plus b. A is what? 5 plus 6 plus into x 100 plus ab 5 into 6. So 99 square what? 81 and 00 kept plus 5 plus 6 11 and 00 plus 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now we are adding it. We are adding in that side. Sorry, here I written the 100. It is 90 because of a x is equal to 90 value into 5 plus 6. So 11 9 ja 9 ja 99 and 10 only 990 plus 30. So now we are adding it. 8,100 plus 990 plus 30. We are adding it. So 0, 9 plus 3 is equal to 2, 12, 1 carry, and this will become 10 and 1 carry 11, 1 carry and 9. So like this both side it comes the same only it will come. But in that the multiplication is easy. Both side we can done. It can be written and that 80 plus 15 also can be written. But that will take little more time to get the squares now. Next taking the third question. In that way, in that question only. Second main, third question. What is that third question? 104 into 96. In that we can write 100 plus 4. And this we can write 100 minus 4. Now 100 same. 4 also same. One place is the plus. One place is the minus. So we are using the third identity. What is that? X plus a into x minus a is equal to what? Otherwise it can be written x plus y into x minus y. This way also can be right. So what can become? It become the x square minus y square. That also okay. That is written x square minus a square it will become in that way. So here let x is equal to 100 or that another y is equal to it become the 4. So we are writing 100 square minus 4 square. So it will become the 100 square is equal to 10,000 minus 4 square is equal to 16. So 10,000 minus 16 is equal to 9,984. That is the answer for that one. It can be in that way also, x square minus a square, where x is equal to 100 and a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Here y written, there a written. That's all in that. Now we are going the third question. Third main, first one. What is the question written? Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. First question given in that 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now we have to see after we read the 8 identities. In that 8 identities, what we have to do in that? Which identity we have to use? So we are seeing in that first term, this is the first term, this is the last third term. Both are in the square. Both are the square. And the middle number, that number is the even numbers. So we are using that identity. Here plus is there. Here also plus is there. Then we are using the identity in that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Why this only? Because of this question is in this form only. X square, y square means here square is there, here also square, here also square, here also square. And this middle number is the even number of that. Because of 2 is there, 2 and in multiples of the 2 is the always even only. So like that. So in that way we can write, this is big long form written, we have to write the short form that. So this number can written 9x square means we can write 3x whole square plus 2 formula 2 into x value means it is middle 3x. Okay, next time some number will come here, plus y square means what, y whole square, that, and this one here will come. So this will become, now first term we are taking and last term we are taking. So what is that, 3x, and here is the plus is there, here plus is there, here also plus is there, the plus y, and the total here square is there, here also square, we kept the square, hence this is the answer. This is the answer. Let's another one questions coming so that it will be cleared up. Here it is written second question, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. This also in that here, see in that it was here plus, in that here given the minus, term are the 3 only. So we can write in that way ki x square minus 2xy plus y square, in this form this is equal to x minus y whole square, means in that this one, so 4y square means we can write 2y is whole square, means it will become the 4y square minus 2 into first term 2y into last term, what is the last term, 1 square means 1 only, or 1 root also 1, plus then what is that, last term square 1 square. Now this term we are taking, this term we are taking, so 2y and 1 we taken, but what sign will come in middle, sign will come the middle minus, because of here minus is there, minus, and here is the minus, so that y square. So what is the answer for this, 2y minus 1 whole square, that is the answer. Let's taking the another question so that it will be more cleared up. So it will written that question number 3rd in that, x square minus y square by 100. Now in that two terms only there, sign middle minus is there, and both are in the v square. So we know this is can be written in the form of x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y, it is written. So say in that way we can write in this way, in that x the whole square minus y by 10, 100 root is the 10, or y square root is y square. So we can write one time addition, one time subtraction. So x plus y by 10, and another way written x minus y by 10, this one, because of it is minus sign is there, one time addition, one time subtraction. Let's taking that fourth question in the our textbook, and that is question is, expand each of the following using suitable identities. Expand each of the following using identities, using suitable identities. In that fourth main, this is the fourth main. In that first question, what given, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square given. Now that we read the first sixth identity, what we read, x plus y plus z whole square, three terms are there, whole square. So what is that, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to what we read, x square plus y square plus z square plus first and second xy plus yz plus zx. Now in that another one is there, because of if we multiply in that number again and again, so it will come that 2 xy, 2 yz, 2 zx. Now we are keeping x is equal to here x, y is equal to what, 2y, the 2y, and z is equal to what, 4z. We are keeping in these values. So x square means x square plus y square means 2y whole square plus z square means what, 4z whole square plus 2 into xy what, x value is x, y value is what, 2y plus 2yz, y what, y means 2y into z means what, z is 4z plus 2z value what, z value is the 4z, and x value what, x value is given in that x only. Let's solving this one. Total x square plus 2y square means 4y square plus 4 square is equal to 16, z is equal to z square plus 2 to the 4 x into y, xy plus 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16, y and z plus 2 4 the 8 and zx, and hence this is the answer for this one. Let's taking the another question number second in that given. Fourth main second one, 2x minus y plus z whole square. Again we know कि x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx 2zx. This is now here x is equal to what? Here x is equal to 2x, y is equal to what? Minus y. Why? Because of along with sign. Z is equal to what? Z is equal to z only. Now we are keeping x square means 2x square, 2 whole x square plus y square means minus y whole square plus z is equal to what? Z square plus 2 into x. X value what? 2x. Y value what? Minus y plus 2yz. 2y value what? Minus y, or z value what? Z value is z plus 2z, 2 and z in that z value given the z plus x value given the 2x. Now we are solving it. 2x whole square is equal to 4x square plus y minus y square is equal to y square only. Minus into minus will become plus y square plus z square plus 2x 2 to the 4 and xy, so minus 4xy. Then here again plus 2 into yz means minus 2 y and z, because of this minus is there, plus this one 2 to the 4 and zx. Now we are solving it total, so what will become? 4x square plus y square plus z square minus plus into minus 4xy plus into minus 2yz plus z 4zx. This is hence this is the answer for this question. Let's taking the fourth main in that the third question, and that is the third question is given here, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Please try for your homework purpose and pause the video. If not getting, then you try it and find it. Then see the video how it is. And if you like the video, please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel and forward for the other your friends. Let's here x is equal to minus 2x, y is equal to 3y and z is equal to 2z along with sign. Now we know x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now we are writing, putting the values, substituting the values into it. So what is x square? X means what? Minus 2x whole square plus y square. Y is equal to what? 3y whole square plus z is equal to what? 2z whole square plus 2xy. X value what? Minus 2x. Y value what? 3y. Let's taking the 2y. Then plus 2y what value? Y value is 3y. Z value what? 2z plus 2z value what? Z value is the 2z and x value what? Minus 2x value. Now we are writing in the simplification form, minus 2x whole square is equal to, here written the 4x square, plus is there 3y whole square is equal to 3 3 is 9 and y square plus 2 2 is 4 and z square. Now here we are writing plus into minus 2 2 is 4 4 3 is 12 x into y xy. Now in that way plus 2 3 is 6 6 2 is 12 y and z yz. Then here minus, because of plus into minus, this minus make the minus 2 2 is 4 4 2 is 8 and zx, and hence this is the answer for this question. Next we are taking the next question, that is the fourth question in that only, and question given 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. We have to expand it. So we can write in this way, x is equal to, in that x is equal to 3a, y is equal to minus 7b, and z is equal to minus c along with sign. Now we are writing formula, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now filling or putting the values into this equation, so we can write x square, x is equal to 3a whole square plus y square, y value minus 7b, तो 7b whole square plus z is equal to minus c whole square plus then 2xy, 2x value what, 3a, y value what, minus 7b, then 2yz. So here writing, let's here writing 2 y value what, y value is minus 7b, and z value what, minus c, plus 2 this 2 z value what, minus c, and x value what, 3a. Now writing in the expanded form total big numbers, so 3 square is what, 9a square, then plus 7 square what, 49, and b square b only, b square b square, then plus minus c square is equal to c square only, whole square it is, then it is comes plus into minus, 2 3 are 6, 6 7 are 42, 6 7 are 42, a and b, ab, then here minus here written in this, so plus this is minus into minus plus, it will become 2 7 are 14, and b and c, bc become, because of that here, and the z value what, 2z means plus into minus 2 into 3 6, and a and c, ac. So that is the answer for this question. Next we are going to take the another questions, that is the question number fifth one, fourth main fifth one. Question written here, question is this, here written minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. Now same formula, x is equal to here minus 2x, y is equal to here plus 5y, and z is equal to here minus 3z. Writing the formula, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now keeping the values, substituting the values, x whole square means minus 2x whole square plus y square, y is equal to 5y, so 5y whole square plus z value what, minus 3z square plus 2x value what, minus 2x, y value what, y value is given 5y plus 2, y value what, 5y, and z value what given, minus 3z, then plus 2 z value what, minus 3 z into x value what, minus 2x. Now solving it, to minus 2x whole square is equal to 4x square plus 5 whole y square is equal to 5 whole square is equal to 25y square, then minus 3z whole square is equal to 9z square, then this one 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, and minus 20xy, then this one minus 2 5 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30y and z. Now this one minus into minus become plus, 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12zx, and hence this is the answer for this question. Next taking the last question of the fourth main, that is the sixth question. So sixth question here what writing, here question given bracket 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 and that whole square. We know x is equal to here 1 by 4a, y is equal to here given minus 1 by 2b, and z is equal to given here, z is equal to given 1. Now what is the formula? Formula is x square, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now let's filling the in that values keeping in that. So values keeping then means x square, x value what, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 a whole square plus y square, y value what, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 b whole square plus z value what, 1, so 1 square plus 2, x value what, 1 by 4 a, y value minus 1 by 2 b and 2yz 2 plus 2y, y value what, minus 1 by 2 b, z value what, 1 and then plus 2 z, z value what, 1 and x value what, 1 by 4 a. Now solving it, this is here only like this. So here 1 by 4 means 1 by 16 a square, then plus 1 by 2 means 1, 2 square means 4 or b square plus 1, then this will become the plus into minus, minus will become this 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, we cancelled it, so it become the 1 by 2 2 ja 4, 1 by 4 a into b, ab, then here become the minus, this 2 cancel, what remaining, minus b into 1 b only b, then plus this 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and it remaining 1 by 2 a only, and we are writing in the order wise, it is the answer, but we write order wise 1 by 16 a square plus 1 by 4 b square minus 1 by 4 ab minus b plus 1 by 2 a plus 1. This is the answer like this, and both can be written. Next we are going to the fifth main. Factorize the following. Fifth main it is written, factorize the following. Factorize. So in that first question given, in that first question given, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16y z square plus 12xy minus 24 yz minus 16xz. In that it is written in the form x square y square z square, means it is comes in that shortcut of that one, means that fourth main type it is, but which number will be minus, which number will be plus, we are finding now. We are breaking into that parts first. So this we can write in that, 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 4z whole square. Please like the video, share the video and send to the other your friends for that to learn it. Now here the plus, our formula says 2, then x value what, 2x we written, then y value what, y value written the 3y, here plus was there, but here the same thing. Now we have to change maintain, that will come. Now it is the written the plus, again our formula says 2, y value what, y value 3y and z value what, z value is 4z, but here it is written the minus. So any number in this, any number will be minus, any number in the minus. Let's checking. So here also written, next written plus 2, formula 2, x value what, in that x value is written 2x and y z value what, z value is written the 4z, but here also minus is there, here minus is there. Here if any number, either the y or z, otherwise x or z, in that any number will come the minus. Why? Because of here the plus, formula plus is there, but in that minus is there. So in that which is the same, in that z is same, means the z number will be the minus, so here will be the minus, here will be the minus, so it will become the same only. Now see, it will become the, now we are writing according to the formula, here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to what? We know x plus y plus z whole square, and now this is the big form, we are writing in the short form of that one. So x value what we got? X value we got the 2x, and in that z, so here also minus, so here x is equal to what? 2x plus y is equal to what? 3y, z is equal to what? Minus 4z, minus 4z, and hence that is the answer for this question. Let's taking the another question so that it will be cleared up. So fifth main second question. So question written here 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 yz 2 root 2 yz, sorry, xy, it is xy. Question given 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2. Cut and writing 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz, and we have to write in the form of that one. So it is a long form, we are writing in the short form. So 2x whole square means we can write it like this, root 2x and then whole square plus y writing y square plus 8 we can write in this form 2 root 2 we can write. See now how come to know ki 8 is the 2 root 2, 8, now 2, so what become 4, again LCM type 2, so it will become the 2, now 2 1, so this is to become one pair become it is, so 2, and inside what remaining root 2, so we can write 8, we can write 2 root 2 or z is there, z written and whole square written like that, minus first that is minus given, but in our formula it is the plus, so we are writing plus once, but we are changing plus 2 into x value what, root 2x, and y value what, y. But here though something here given the here given minus, we are writing here plus, here given minus, we are writing plus. Okay, maybe x or y any value will be negative, x or y any value will be negative. Let's taking the another, so here plus 2 into y, so y value what will come, y value will return the y square, and z value written the 2 root 2 z. In that also here plus given, here given the plus. Okay, let's this writing, the minus plus 2 into x value what, root 2 x, or what z value what, z value is given the 2 root 2 z, but here also here minus, so in that some value, in that it is the x is there, in that also x is there, y is here, y here not y, means x value will be negative, so this value become the negative, now we are writing the according to the formula, what is that, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to what, x plus y plus z whole square. Now writing x value what we got, minus root 2 x, plus y value what we got, y only, plus z value what we got, z value is got the 2 root 2 z, and square is kept, hence this is the answer of this question. Here you have to come to know ki here given minus and in formula it is coming plus, so any which is the same number, which is the same, x same or y same or z same, that you have to see which will be the negative or positive in that. Let's taking the sixth main. In that sixth main what written, write the following cubes in expanded form. Sixth main given, write the following cubes in expanded form, expanded form it is written, and in that first it is written 2x plus 1 cube written. We know the formula we read backside, the first starting only done the formula. What is that, x plus y, it is plus x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. in that form written, otherwise in that form also written, that what, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, that also can be. Okay, let's taking the any one in that. So here x is equal to what, here x is equal to 2x and y is equal to 1 along with sign, here also along with sign. So here x cube means 2x cube plus y value what, 1 cube plus 3 what, x square means 2x whole square plus into y what, 1 plus 3 x value what, 2x, y square means 1 square. Now we are opening the brackets and we are solving it. So what will become, 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 means 8, x into x 3 times, so x cube, 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 2x square means 4x into 1 plus 3 2s are 6 and 1 square means 1 only, that is 6. So now we can write it like this, 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 4s are 12x, okay, and plus 6x. In that again these are the like terms, so we can write it like this, 8x cube plus 12 plus 6 18x plus 1, 18x plus 1, and hence this is the answer. Let's taking the another question. In that it is written 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now we know x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube, then here minus 3xy into x minus y. That is the formula, back side we read that. Let's checking that last formula showing to you. Here is the formula, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy minus into x minus y. So these are 8 identities that time written, starting only done. Please by headed, or that is remember this the identity so that you can solve it. Now we are using it. So x is equal to here what, x is equal to 2a and y is equal to what, 3b, y is equal to what, 3b. X cube means 2a cube minus y means what, 3b cube minus 3, x value what, 2a, y value what, 3b into what, x value what, 2a minus b value what, 3b. Now we are solving 2 cube is equal to, already you know 8 happen. So 8a cube minus 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27 b cube minus this one 2 3s are 6 3s are 18 ab into what, 2a minus 3b. Like this also can be written. After that it can be written in the more opened, then it will be written like this, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 2s are 36 a into a square b minus into minus plus 18 3s are 54 a b square. So this also can be answer of this. Let's take the another example, another question from the 6th main, third question, and that question given here 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube. We know x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Let's writing in that, x is equal to what here, 3 by 2x and y is equal to what, 1. So we are writing x cube 3 by 2 x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into x value is 3 by 2 x, y value what, 1 into x value what, 3 by 2 x plus 1. Solving it, 3 cube is equal to 27, 2 cube is equal to 8 already you know, and x cube is equal to x cube whole cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus in that it will come that 3 3s are 9 1s are 9 by 2 x into what, 3 by 2 x plus 1 as it is. Again solving, 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 3s are 27 by 2 2s are 4 x plus this one 9 1 ja 9 by 2x, 9 by 2x. Now these are the similar terms. These are the similar terms. Now we have to add and write it. So what can 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus this one LCM is the 2. So this will become the 27 plus 18. 27 plus 18 and that x is there both side. X is there. X will come x by 2 for the LCM. So what in that value we can write like this 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus the 27 plus 18 is equal to 45x by 4, and hence this is the answer of this question. Let's taking the another question, and that is the what given here, given x minus, this is the third question and this is the fourth question. In the sixth main fourth question, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. We know the formula x cube x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and x minus y whole. So now x is equal to here what x, y is equal to what, y is equal to here written the 2 by 3 y written. Now we are writing x cube means x cube minus y cube what 2 by 3 y value 2 by 3 y and cube minus 3 into x value what x, y value what 2 by 3 y into x minus y means x minus 2 by 3 y. Solving it x cube. Please like the video, share the video and send to the other students to help them out as they are your friends. And a friend is indeed that helps in the need. That is the, so please help your friends by sharing this video. Then minus 2 the cube is equal to 8 and 3 the cube is equal to 27 and y cube is equal to y cube. Minus 2 3 and 3 cancelled, x into y xy into what remaining x minus 2 by 3 y. Now we are solving it x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube, and this will multiplying minus x into x square y minus into minus plus 2 by 3 x y square, and hence this is the answer of this question. Now we are going the question number seventh main, and what is the telling seventh main? Evaluate the following using suitable identities. Evaluate the following by suitable identities. Like that we done the second main, same thing it is here. So in the seventh main first question, what is that? It is written 99 cube it is written. You know that time also we broke down the numbers into the some parts. Okay, so we are taking the zeros in that. So 99 we can write 100 minus 1 and that is the cube. Cube is the cube written. 99 means 100 minus 1 can be written. Now x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 1, and you know x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. This one. Now we are putting the values into it. So what will become? X is cube means what? 100 cube minus y cube means 1 cube minus 3 into 1 y, x value what? 100, y value what? Y value is 1, and this is the 100 minus 1. Let's checking. So what? 100 cube means that numbers, the zeros will become the triple 3 times. So 1 and then 6 times 0, 1 time, 2 time and 3 times 0 happen. Then it is came, then here it is written minus 1 cube means 1 cube means 1 only, minus it is written 3xy 3 into x, what is the value of x? 100, y value what? 1 into x minus y means 100 minus 1. Now this one, so this written same as it is, 6 times 0 minus 1 minus 3 into 100 300 into what? In the time 1 time that into 100 doing. So what will become? This will again to 0 minus 300 minus into 100 is equal to 300. Now which numbers are plus, which numbers are minus, we are writing. So these all are the same negative numbers. So this writing 6 times 0 minus this one written the 301, 300 into and 1 301, and then this will become 0 and 3. If we are subtracting in that number, we are let the subtracting it. Subtracting. So here become 9, here become again 9. Okay, then here it will become that here become the again 6, then here it will become that 9, here it will become again 6, here it will become the 9. Okay, and this is the answer. So what is the answer? 969699. Here this is the answer of this number. This is, let's one more question we are taking, and that is question what given in that, the question given here 102 cube, 102 cube given. We can, second question it is in 7th main second question, we can write 100 plus 2 and then cube. So x is equal to r 100, y is equal to what, 2. We are writing x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus x plus y. This is the formula. So we are writing x is equal to what, 100, 100 cube plus y is equal to what, 2, 2 cube plus 3 into x value what, 100 into y value what, y value is 2, and this will be written the 100 plus 2. So this can be written that 3 times, so 60 will come, 60 comes plus 2 cube already you know, that is the 8 plus 3 into 6, 600 into the first time to 100 plus 600 plus into 2 into 2. Why? Because of that is called the distributive property in the natural numbers. Now we can write it like this. This to 6 zeros will come plus 8 plus this one multiplying, then it will come the 6 after that 40 plus this will come the 1200, 1200. Sorry, one mistake done in that, it is minus into minus, it will become plus, plus. So this you have to add in that, means this you subtraction done in that you have to add it, then it will come the 9, 9, 6 and 3, 9, 300 it is 9, 9, 7 like that it will come. Let's coming to back the same question only once, please. Sorry for that, because of here it is plus done, minus into minus plus, so it is wrong happen. After completion of this one it will become, sorry for that. So here we are adding it all adding means it will become that 60 will come, then it will come the 406 after the 40, then it will come the 1200, then 8, so it will become 8021601, and hence this is the answer 1061208. This is answer. Let's coming to the back that question only. Sorry for that, because of one place it is there na minus it has to come. So this is into 1, again written same from here, here it is. So it is 6 zeros minus 1, this is minus 300 into 100, that is, so first time it is into 100, so means 40, then plus 300 into 1, 300. Now we are adding this one first, this number and this number we are adding, so this will become this 60 plus 300, it will become that this, in that we are doing the subtraction of this one number 403, subtraction doing, so it will become that 3 0, this will become the 7 and 9. Now in that how to do subtraction, 1 minus 1 it is there, so 1 subtraction doing, so it will become that 9 9 2 0 979, and hence this is the answer 970299. Sorry for that, because of here it is minus, I did not see, and now minus into minus it will become plus, so that answer will be this one. Next, going to the next question, and that is the eighth main, sorry, in the third, seventh main, the eighth question. Third question, it is written 998 the cube, 998 cube. So we know that it can be written 1000 minus 1, 1000 minus 2, can write then cube. Here x is equal to 1000 and y is equal to 2. We are writing, we know x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. X is equal to 1000, so 1000 we written, and cube is there, cube written, minus y means 2 cube written, minus 3 into y value, x value is 1000 into y value is the 2, and into that is the 1000 minus 2, 1000 minus 2, it is 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2. Now we are solving it. 3 are there, so 603 means it will become the 9. So 1 after that 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Minus 2 cube you already know, that is the 8. Minus this one, 3 2 is 6. 3 0 is there, and then again 3 0. 1, 2, 3 0. This multiply by 1000. So total become this one. Then minus into minus it will become plus, and this 6 2 is 12. 12 and this 3 0 is there. Now we are addition and subtracting that numbers. So first this number minus this number doing. So this is the 9 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. In that we are using 2, 4, 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 and 6. Minus doing in that. So what remaining here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Then it is become the 4 here. Here become 9 and it become the 9. Now in that we are subtracting the 8. 8 we are subtracting in that. 8 we are subtracting. So what will come? It will come the 2. Here will come the 9. Here again will 9. Here again 9. Here again 9. Here again 9. Here is the 3. One carry taken. In that we are adding the 12,000. 12,000 we are adding because of this number and this number is added, and this number are subtracted after the adding of that one number. Directly you can use the distributive property also can be used. So here is the addition. So 2, 9, 9 and 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 10 and 1 carry 11 and 10, 1 carry and 4. So this is the answer. What the 4011,992 means this is the 40,11,992 is the answer. Next we are going to the 11th question, 8th main, and that is the in the next video. Thank you. Have a share this video to the your friends.